Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this TFlexCam training course, and the topic for today will be the 5D engraving. This is a sub-option that we can use with the machining. We don't have particularly a function to do this engraving, but with a mix of options here, it allows us to create a very nice 5D engraving. So, to prepare this video, we have this element, this solid. I've created a text that I've projected into this solid. So, the initial text is something like this. So, it's a planar text, and I've done the projection. Okay? So, the projection it is done. And this is in this round surface. So to mill this and to have the same depth on the letters, we need to do this in 5 axes. So how to do this? So again, CNC menu, and I will go to a function inside this boundary 3D milling. So boundary 3D milling, we have the options you already seen previously, and I will choose a function called pocket milling. So pocket milling, I can choose from a solid or from a face. I will choose this face here. Then I will choose the profile. So profile, I will choose this profile here. Okay. And now in parameters, I will have this tool file which has some tools inside, and I will choose a tool of 1 millimeter diameter. And in terms of parameters, so this is the standard stuff, you know them already. Pass type, I will choose the outward spiral or inward spiral. It was basically the same, but I will leave this one. Tool lift absolute, I will choose a value 200, so that the tool can has a decent height to make the changes from letter to letter. Step of pass is 10. It's okay in this particular case also. This is not important, 10 or 5 or 3 or whatever. To create the program, this is not very important. We can do this with thickness. It doesn't matter particularly in this case, because what we want is to create the toolpath respecting the letters. In this particular case, I must check out this option and this option, because I don't want a 2.5D program. I want a 5-axis program. I can leave this circle interpolation, no problem. I will close this one. And tool vector, if you see here, this is oriented through the Y vector. So I will choose the vector here for the Y like this, and I will make an additional correction to be a 5D normal to surface. So let us calculate, and we have this very nice program that we can simulate, as you can see. So the issue of outward spiral or inward spiral, it was pretty the same, just a matter of following the contours of the letters. So, and it will lift for each letter or for each element where the toolpath cannot be continuous. But basically, this is very straightforward using through this function. So I hope this gives you another tool and another option to create toolpaths inside TFlexCam. So for any topic or any issue less clear, send us a contact through the usual channels so that we can give you the support you may need.